Today we're going to do a walk around on the 1922 International 816 tractor. This is the last year of production. This particular model was. Has the radiator to the rear, water bath air cleaner, and open up the left side hood here. This engine's pretty much like the later Internationals, 1020, F20, except for the manifold, brass carburetor, Ensign design, and fan would have a friction disc in it so it could slip a little bit because it's gear driven. This is a oil indicator. When it's running, you can see it oiling up here to the fan gears through this glass, and oils down and returns into the pan. Spring-loaded suspension on these. They have a spring on the front bolster, coil spring, and then to the rear they have coil springs on each side of the rear axle. Platform and seat. One thing about these 816s and the Titans and Moguls, they had a regular seat that would have said McCormick on it, like you see on a lot of the old implements, but you can see the lettering was cast out on those, but it'll have the same part number on it, that M498. So when you see a cast iron seat like that with the lettering cast out of it, and it looks exactly like a McCormick seat, that's for the Mogul, Titan, and International 816 chain drive tractors. And the final drive is chain drive. It's enclosed in this housing. It's supposed to keep a little bit of the dirt off of it. This the 1922 model would have this sheet metal under the fuel tank support, and this toolbox right in here, which behind the radiator, which the lid opens, and there's the toolbox. Plus, in cold weather, that lid can go against the radiator to warm up a little quicker. Turn from gas to kerosene, which this is your kerosene tank switch. Over here on the end, there's the gasoline starting. And over on the other side, these have a lever on them. The belt pulley turns with the engine when the engine's running. So when you're doing belt work, there's a handle down here, and this operates the clutch. It's an external or an auxiliary clutch handle to disengage and engage the clutch while you're doing belt work. You can do it from out here rather than doing it with the clutch pedal. And like I say, Ensign carb, split Orff magneto Dixie, and pretty much on the spark plug side isn't much to see over here, but this is it. Pretty much like the later model 4-cylinder Internationals, except for the radiator and fan are to the rear. And sloped hood for a little better visibility from the seat. And that's pretty much it on the 816 International 1922 model.